I was born and raised in Islamabad, a beautiful city in Pakistan known for its green hills and peaceful environment. Growing up, I enjoyed playing with friends in my neighborhood and exploring local parks. My early education started in a small primary school near my home. I remember being excited to learn new things, especially in subjects like math and science. After primary school, I moved to a larger secondary school where I studied more challenging subjects. It was here that I discovered my interest in chemistry. My teachers encouraged me and felt motivated to learn even more. After completing my secondary education, I joined a college for higher studies. This was a big step for me as I began focusing more on my academic goals. At college, I met new friends and teachers who inspired me to work hard. I am now studying for my bachelor's degree in chemistry, where I dive deeper into subjects I'm passionate about, like physical and organic chemistry. My goal is to become an assistant teacher and share my knowledge with others. I hope my journey will inspire someone to follow their dreams.